Hello students. So today we are going to see the further rule chart. So today we are going to see the possessive article rule chart specially. So as you can see in front of you, I have written the heading. Please don't skip the video because it is from the beginning till the end. Watch it without skipping it because most of the things I'm going to tell you orally, which you are supposed to note it down. Yeah. So first thing, in the nominative possessive article, in the accusative possessive article, and in the dative possessive article, what you're supposed to do. Yeah. All these things I'm going to explain in this video in this particular rule chart. Now, we have studied few rule chart in our previous videos. Now, further, when you start learning possessive article, then you are supposed to note down possessive article rules also in your rule chart. So, I'm just teaching you this rule chart, how to write, how to memorize in a easy manner. Now, the first thing, what you are supposed to do, write the heading, nominative possessive article. In this chart, I'm just going to tell you the columns and everything. So there are total 1 and 2. There are total 2 columns. Okay. This column, now think I have not written anything over here. Okay. Just assume. So first you have to write the heading as nominative possessive article because we have different charts for possessive article. This whole chart belongs to nominative only. Then comes the next chart which will belong to accusative, and then the third one which will belong to dative articles. So let's focus on the nominative first. In the margin, we are going to write the personal pronouns over here. Why we are writing it? That you will come to know when you are watching the application video. At present, I am just going to explain writing the rule chart. Yeah, tricks I am going to explain. But the concept and the application is on the other video. Now, in this first column, you're going to write the personal pronouns ish, do, er, z, s, wir, ihr, big Z, small z, which you are learning since long from the beginner time. You're learning this pronouns as a personal pronouns. Yeah. So you know this pronouns. Then this is not your possessive article. This also keep in your mind. These are called personal pronouns which are going to be only an help to y'all while doing this chart. So this is personal pronoun, not possessive article. This is just like a diagram. Okay. So this, don't consider this as a possessive article. These are personal pronouns which we need while writing possessive articles. So we are writing it outside the margin. Yeah. Now, in the after when your page starts, yeah, after the margin, whatever comes, this whole part is your possessive article. These 2 columns are your possessive article. The first column name is male oblique neutral. Yeah. I am writing short form. If you all want, you all can write the full form of masculine or neutrum. Yeah. Then the second column is female oblique plural. So we have 2 columns. Then we have already learned the root word. Yeah. These are the root word: mine, thine, sein, ihr, sein, unser, euer, big IHR, small IHR. These are called root words. Root word will remain same in every chart of possessive article. Anywhere you go for the accusative possessive article, nominative possessive article, dative possessive article, the root word will remain same. So these are the root word. If you see everywhere, it is same. So mine means what? You have to write. Now y'all are normally writing the English words or the English meanings with black color. So you can take your black color pen and you can write the meanings. Because you're writing for the first time, you can write the meanings and keep till you don't memorize it properly. So my is this mine. Mine is nothing but my. Thine is nothing but your. Thine is nothing but his. Ear is nothing but her. And this is its. And this is our. This is yours. In the plural form. Yeah? These are your books, children. So that time it is in the plural form. I'm talking to all the children together. These are your books, children. This is your, but in a formal manner. Now in English, it will be a bit difficult to you all to understand this concept. Why this your and why this your? So this your belongs to, like if my national language is Hindi. So if I want to explain in Hindi, it will be तुम्हारा या तुम्हारी. It is an informal way. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? So when we are talking to younger ones or our siblings or our friends or the strangers, normally we say तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? And when we are talking formally to the elderly, yeah, so that time we say आपका नाम क्या है? So that is the difference between here, तुम्हारा and आपका. And this last one is THEIR, there. Like we say, they are going out, their bicycles are standing out. So we are talking about them, so their bicycle. So this is possessive. Yeah. In detail, when you are understanding the concept, that is in different video where I'm teaching you the application. Here we are just, once we have done with our concept, then we come to the rule chart to just note it down on daily basis. How to note it down on daily basis, I'm showing you. So this is your root word. Yeah, these are very important. In your mind, you have to register this root word very systematically and properly. Even if somebody wakes you up at night, you should be able to tell them this possessive article, like how we can say my, your. So these all are my. Okay, mine is my in English, but in Hindi if we say mera and meri, kind of. Okay, now this two rule chart I have shown you, means these two columns I have shown you. What to do now? Now as you can see, both the side the root word is same. Male and neutral, we don't put E at the end. No putting E at the end. In the female and plural, we have to write E at the end. So I am adding one E everywhere. So I am adding E everywhere. This is how easy it becomes. So the root word, if you know, you have to note it down everywhere. And then in neutral and male, there is no endings. And in female and plural, there are endings. Yeah. This is how the rule chart of nominative possessive article is done. Now, once this both the columns are done, this is how your nominative possessive article looks like. Then comes your second chart of accusative possessive article. Yeah. If you see in accusative possessive article, again the root words are similar. So I told you, once you learnt it, then you can use it in every chart of possessive article. Yeah. So take an effort, learn the root word once, and then you're done. So now what happens over in accusative possessive article, children? The outside the margin personal pronoun will remain same. Root words are same. But instead of 2 columns, now we have to make 3 columns. Yeah. Here the first column is named as male. Second column is named as neutral, and third is female and plural, like previous chart. So if you compare the nominative column and accusative column, the neutral and female and plural, these two charts will be same as your above two charts. Only what has happened? Up it was male and neutral one column. Here the male will be separated from the neutral column. These two charts will be similar to the nominative. So in nominative chart which we are comparing with, yeah. So if you see the neutral, there is no endings, correct? And in female and plural, we have to put endings as E. So you will find the neutral column and the female and plural column is exactly similar to the above nominative chart. Now what about male? If we have made it separate, of course the endings will be different than the neutral. Otherwise we would have made it in one column only. So in the male column, now it will start ending with en. Like if I want to give you one example, yeah, I can tell you, Normally, bestimmt article, if you see bestimmt article, it is den. Yeah. If you see unbestimmt article, it is einen. So see here also in accusative column, you all are writing the rule chart from so many days. Now you should be able to identify this, that in accusative column the male article is den, and in the unbestimmt accusative column the male article is einen. So en comes in both. So your en comes. So you can keep this as a trick too. So everywhere you will add en. When you are adding en, make sure that it should look one word and not two different words. Yeah. So this is the easiest trick of nominative column up and the accusative column down. Yeah. Now once we are done with accusative whole chart of possessive article, now we'll head on towards the dative possessive article chart. Yeah. Again, here the outside the margin ish du will remain same, heading we are writing. Then the root word, if you see, it is similar to the nominative accusative. Yeah, the root word will remain same as it is. Now comes the time of changing the endings. Now here what happens? Here again 3 columns you can see, but this time male and neutral will get back together again, and female and plural will be separated. Yeah. So once in the accusative we separated male and neutral, and down we are separating female and plural. So that way you can keep in mind. Yeah. Now, what about the ending? So if you observe the bestimmt article, bestimmt, the bestimmt article endings of male, it is dem, mango, and here it is der, rabbit, and here it is in the plural den, and for number en. Okay, so these were the endings of bestimmt. If you talk about unbestimmt, it is einem in dative, einer in female dative, and plural actually didn't exist, so we cannot take that in consideration of unbestimmt. So this what I'm writing with pencil is just a hint for y'all to know that whatever the endings were for bestimmt, unbestimmt, the same endings goes here too. Yeah. So here em for mango. So everywhere from up till down, please write em everywhere. Here it will become er. R for rabbit, er. And in plural it should be en. N for number. So from up till down, put en everywhere. Yeah, everywhere you are going to put en, em for mango. So this is how the dative, accusative and nominative possessive article chart is made. Now, if you haven't gone through the concept of this video, please go to the other videos and do check it. Yeah.